back to senses. I could see this glucose water and half of the bottle had gone into my body. There was some energy. I could feel that I could move my body. But all these policemen, they were still there in front of me. And I have not given up. I have put up a good fight. And now I'm not done with that. I'm going to fight here. I've been thinking, how am I going to get out of this? How am I going to get all these ropes and all these things out of my body and dash out of here? Maybe jump out of the window and get out of here. I'm not gonna give up like this, huh? I'm not gonna give up like this easily, huh? You have to kill me? Oh? I'm not gonna go down with this, huh? And then somebody said, somebody come to meet me. Somebody come to meet me. The police are tired. They said that this guy is not going to listen to us. They have to bring somebody else to make some sense to me. They had called Dharamshala and they had called my father figure, the husband of my aunt, Pala and aunt. They raised me from my childhood. Ever since I was adopted by the school, I've been taken care of by them. Pala had come to meet me, entered the room, touched my hands, and said, Sundu, you've really become weak. You can't even stand on your feet. How are you going to free Tibet? Tibet is way out there behind the Himalayas, and you are lying here.